How to download loan statement in TD Auto Finance app. First of all, open the app on your device and log in using your registered username and password. Once you are on the home screen, go to the Accounts tab and select your auto loan account. This will take you to the account summary page. Here, scroll down and tap on Statements and Documents. In this section, you will be able to view, print or save your monthly billing statements. Choose the statement you want from the list and then select the option to download it in PDF format. Once downloaded, you can save it to your device, print it for a record, or share it if needed. If you prefer, you can also sign up for Paperless statements to receive reminders whenever a new statement is available and access them online anytime. Now you know how to easily download your loan statement in the TD Auto Finance app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.